Welcome to dotnet Microservices, the complete guide. My name is Brugen and I will be your instructor on this wonderful topic. Microservices is one of the latest buzzword in programming nowadays. Every time a system is lagging or it is getting too big, someone will give a suggestion that maybe we should look into microservices. But it is crucial to understand what exactly it is and how to implement it correctly. That is the reason I have created this course. My goal is to introduce you to microservice architecture while giving you a real-hand project to see how microservices communicate and what are the problems it helps to crack down. Microservices is composed of individual API projects in a simple term. But in reality, there is much more to a microservice architecture. In this course, I will be starting from scratch using .NET Core 6 or .NET 6, and we will create 7 different microservices. We will implement authentication and authorization with the help of Identity Server and integrate the complete solution while we understand how microservices communicate in different ways. I will not go into the depths of customizing the Identity Server, but we will cover enough topic to get you up and running and understand the basic foundations of Identity Server. I wanted to stick to .NET Stack, because of which I have used Azure Service Bus for communication between microservices. For the database, we will be using SQL Server for all of our microservices. To summarize everything, if you are excited about what microservices are and you want to learn by implementing a real-world project in microservices, this is the course for you. So enroll now in this exciting course of microservices, and let's get started from the next video.